What's good, YouTube? So, check this out. I am going to do another unboxing this morning. So, check it out. Just got my replacement lights in the mail from Sylvania. Bam! They just sent me a brand new pack of the bright whites. So, we good to go on that. So, let me show you some more stuff. I'm gonna put you on pause while I get this stuff together. All right, I'm back. So let me show you all this stuff. I'm gonna do it all at one time because I thought about it and I was like, man, I'll be forever doing an unboxing of all this stuff one at a time. So here we go. All right, look at all this crap. So these my old lights that came out of the Cadillac before they burst, or should I say blew. So those there. And here go the new ones I just got in the mail today. So I'm gonna put that in later on today. I'm gonna put the other one back in there. This right here, I put that on there. I just stuck that on there, just sit and fit. So this is 2 AUG, so 2/0 welding cable. This is the equivalent to 0 gauge car audio wire. So this thing is heavy as heck. I'm trying to pull it out with one hand. Ooh, that almost bent my wrist. This is heavy as hell. So this is 50 feet, 25 feet of ground wire and 25 feet of power wire. As you see, it's all mixed in together. They wrapped them together. So it's really flexible, you know, so you can bend it and do what you got to do with it. So that's cool. So I'm gonna put that in probably tomorrow, this weekend, when I put the carpet and stuff in. And y'all saw the carpet from last night from OC Auto Carpet. As y'all see, there it go right there. And then I got these, as you see, from shout out to Ill Customs in Minnesota. So, trying to do all this with one hand. I ordered these. So these are the screws that go in them, or whatever, the little twist things. So I ordered 2 sets. These are the 0 gauge to 4 gauge dual 0 gauge to 4 gauge output for my amp, because honestly, I might not need these because I can't remember if my Smart 3 takes 0 gauge or 4 gauge, but I know that the Rockville takes 4 gauge. So I'm gonna definitely do 2 0 gauge inputs to the 4 gauge output to give the Rockville more than enough power to push everything that I need. I got, oh, here go the other set right here. Well, that's one of them. The other set is in my toolbox. Then, as you see, got the GP connectors. I got the copper connectors for the wire and everything. I got a bunch of these. I ordered these. I think these came with my Big 3 upgrade wire that I ordered a while back, and I didn't need all of it. So I got these. You see, I got those from Ferro Direct. These are the 0 gauge wire ferrules. When I tell you that these are the best thing that you can get, man, way better than just using bare wire. What you do is just like this. You see, I didn't do it yet because I haven't finished, if you can see the inside of that. So what you do is you cut down the jacket, and then the wire will actually fit through here all the way up to the top, and this will go over the wire. So then you take the heat shrink and you'll put it on there, and you'll stick it in. I'm not doing it right now, but you stick it in like that. You use the heat gun, heat it on there, it ain't never coming off. You all set. And that right there make the best connections you could ever possibly want to do. And then I told you I got a bunch of stuff. I got my SMD. I ordered this off of Amazon, I believe. And yeah, this was like 80 bucks. This is a voltmeter. So I'm gonna hook this up to my tar amps in the back to make sure that I'm not getting voltage drop, because that tar amps eat up a lot of power. And then I got this. You see it say the 2-aught power, the 2-aught rings right here. So that's the welding cable, 2-0-aught, because it's actually 0 gauge when it comes down to auto rock. So it's two different things. So I got a whole bunch of copper rings and heat shrink to go with it. So cool with that. Got plenty than I need. Plus, for the colors, I ordered these on Amazon, and these is also heat shrink, all different sizes from like 14 gauge all the way up to 0 gauge. And of course, you can never have enough ferrules. I use them for everything, for my subwoofer wires, for my 6x9s, any type of connection going into the amp or anything like that that I need. I use the ferrules now because they just the truth. And then, just to make sure they didn't have like a small thing, and these were so cheap, I just went on ahead and bought a whole mess load of ferrules, but they not they don't have the plastic jacket on them like the other ones do, but do the same job, because when you put the heat shrink on them, it ain't gonna matter anyway. And then, almost done, I got these, if I can figure out how to open them. Well, I can't open it with one hand. So it's 125 piece grommet assortment. So basically, when I'm going through the firewall and stuff like that, I got the grommets to stick in there so I won't cut any of the wiring and all of that good stuff. So got plenty of this. Also, this I went and scooped that Advanced Auto, because my antenna, it goes up, but you got to push it back down, and you got to push it almost all the way down until the motor grab it and pull it back down. So I'm about sick of doing that, so I was like, I'll just replace it, put another one in there, so hopefully it fits. So they said it's universal and it should fit, so we'll see this weekend if that works. And last but not least, as you can see, Amazon, I ordered 4 inline fuses, 300 amp. So this is gonna be for the front of the car. So that's gonna be for the front battery, and then the rear battery. Let me show you that. The Duracell that I bought for the rear. That's a 100 amp hour Duracell battery that I bought for the rear. So I'm gonna have the inline fuses for that, and for the amps and everything. So we all good. So there you have it. That's my unboxing. All of that's gonna be in the car. So like I said, it's gonna be tons of content for the 90 Brougham build, whatever you like. So keep watching and subscribe, like, share, comments, whatever. And I'll see y'all soon.